If Chrome is showing the status underscore invalid underscore image underscore hash error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by browser glitches, corrupted cache, problematic extensions, hardware acceleration conflicts, or even an outdated version of Chrome. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything. So if this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start with the simplest fix. Restart Google Chrome. Completely close the browser, not just the tab, and make sure Chrome is fully shut down. Then reopen it and check whether the error is gone. Sometimes a temporary browser glitch is all it takes, and a fresh restart clears it right away. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache. At the same time, this is one of the most effective fixes for strange browser errors. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, select cached images and files, and also select cookies and other site data. Once those options are checked, click Delete Data. Corrupted cache files can trigger crashes, loading issues, and errors like status underscore invalid underscore image underscore hash, so clearing them gives Chrome a clean start. Now, let's move to the next common cause, extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Chrome's rendering process, especially ad blockers, security tools, script blockers, or any unknown extension you may have installed recently. To check this, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. From here, disable the extensions one by one, starting with anything related to blocking content, security, or browser protection. If Chrome starts working after disabling one of them, you've found the cause. Faulty extensions are a very common reason this error appears. After that, let's turn off hardware acceleration. This setting can sometimes conflict with your graphics driver and cause rendering errors in Chrome. To do this, open Chrome settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. Once you've changed it, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting. If GPU rendering conflicts are behind the error, this step often fixes it immediately. If you are still seeing the problem, the next thing to do is update Google Chrome. Click the three dots again, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, install it and then click Relaunch. Updates often include bug fixes and rendering improvements, so keeping Chrome current can solve errors like this one. And if none of those steps work, the final fix is to reset Chrome settings. Go to the three dots, open Settings, then find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm by selecting Reset Settings. This removes broken configurations and returns Chrome to a clean default state without deleting everything on your computer. It is a strong final step when the browser has become misconfigured. So to recap, the best way to fix status underscore invalid underscore image underscore hash in Chrome is to restart the browser, clear cache, disable suspicious extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, update Chrome, and finally reset Chrome settings if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will get Chrome working again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.